Creating an account on ING is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set up your account quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the ING website. Go to the official ING website. Look for the option to create a new account, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 2. Choose account type. Select the type of account you wish to open. ING typically offers various options such as savings accounts, checking accounts, or investment accounts. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Complete the online application form with your personal information. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and identification details. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve uploading identification documents or verifying your identity through a video call or other methods. Step 5. Review and submit. Review all the information you have provided to ensure it is correct. Once you are satisfied, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation email with further instructions. After completing these steps, you will be on your way to accessing your new ING account. Enjoy the benefits of banking with ING.